Good morning, dear students. As you all know that we had started with Unit 2 in the previous week. Yes, exploring puzzles in English prose. Okay, we had also gone through the story of Akbar Birbal mentioned in your textbook. Okay, also we had gone through Canterbury Tales, Partners Puzzle, and apart from that, you were also acquainted with two puzzles. Yes, so you enjoyed that session, right? So now we are actually winding up the unit. So before that, we have some activities left in the same unit. We'll be doing that today. Okay, that is on page number 18, activity 7. It is a question. It is actually a puzzle or a joke, and they've asked a question that if a camel rider had gone 3 days ago and he left on Tuesday and came back on Tuesday, how is that possible? Okay, you have to think upon it. The answer is given in the textbook, so I'm not letting you know it. Okay, now on page number 19 there is an activity. What you have to do is you have to collect story of Akbar Birbal which are based on puzzles or problem solving, and you have to write one such story in the space provided in the textbook. Clear? Okay, you can refer any stories of Akbar Birbal, and it should be in English, and it should be based on some problem solving or puzzle solving. Okay? Then come to page number 20. There is activity 8. It's a puzzle. It's a poem actually, its name is It's a Puzzle by Alan Ahlberg. Okay? Alan Ahlberg. Yes. So let us see what the poem is having, what kind of puzzle. I think it has words like friend, and also it could be related to human beings' relation with other human beings. Okay, so quickly let us go through the poem first, then I will explain you what it is all about. My friend is not my friend anymore. She has secrets from me and goes about with Tracy Hackett. I would get her back, only do not want to say so. So I pretend to have secrets from her and go about with Alice Banks. But what bothers me is maybe she is pretending and would like me back, only does not want to say so. In which case, maybe it bothers her that I am pretending. But if we are both pretending, then really we are friends and do not know it. On the other hand, how can we be friends and have secrets from each other and go about with other people? My friend is not my friend anymore. Unless she is pretending, I cannot think what to do. It is a puzzle. Okay, have you understood the poem? No. Basically, the poem is about four friends. Okay, the poet says that now he is describing about his friend who is a girl, throughout the poem, and he says that now they are no more friends like they were, because that girl who was his friend is now keeping secrets from him, and she is also meeting some another boy who is her friend, okay, and his name is Tracy Hackett. Further, he says that he wants his friend back, that girl, to be back in his life. So what he decides that he will also pretend like her, and he also starts being friend with another girl whose name is Alice Banks. Further, he says that what bothers him is that if she is pretending, now he feels that she is also liking him, who, the girl, okay, the friend he had before, she is also liking him, but she might be pretending, as she is just showing that she is keeping secrets and all. Okay, so he is confused actually. Further, he says that in which case maybe it bothers her that I am pretending. I am pretending. Maybe she is also knowing that I am pretending. But if we are both pretending, then really we are friends and don't know it. Okay, do not know it. So he is saying that if we both are pretending, that means we both are friends. We are real friends. Okay, we are just pretending, and it's nothing like that. But on the other hand, how can we be friends and have secrets from each other? But he also feels that if we both are pretending, we both are okay, then we are friends. There's nothing to worry. But if it is the other way around, that she is also keeping the secrets from me, then what kind of friendship it is? And go about with other people, and she is just roaming with other people. So this is not that friendship. Then he further says, my friend is not my friend anymore unless she is pretending. I cannot think what to do. It is a puzzle. Then he says that मेरी friend अब मेरी friend नहीं है, because जब तक वो pretending कर रही है ठीक है, apart from that I cannot think. So it's a puzzle. What is actually उन राइटर की जो पोएट है, उनकी जो फ्रेंड है ना, शी इज़ शोइंग सम डिफरेंट बिहेवियर नाउअडेज. मतलब वो इनसे थोड़ी सीक्रेट्स वगैरह कीप अप करे ऐसा उनको लग रहा है. शायद किसी और से फ्रेंडशिप भी कर रही है. सो ही इज़ एक्चुअली इन अ कन्फ्यूजन कि क्या सच में ऐसा है. तो वो भी वैसे ही प्रिटेंड करता है, दिखावा करता है कि हाँ वो भी सीक्रेट्स रख रहा है, उसकी भी कोई न्यू फ्रेंड है. बट उसको एक तरफ ऐसा लग रहा है क्या वो सच में ऐसा कर रही है कि सिर्फ मुझे लग रहा है. ठीक है, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है, बिकॉज शी हैजंट टोल्ड हिम दैट वे. तो उसको लग रहा है कि क्या वो सिर्फ दिखावा कर रही है कि सच में ऐसा उसका कोई फ्रेंड है. बट अगर वो दिखावा ही कर रही है, मैं भी दिखावा ही कर रहा हूँ, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम वहाँ पे आएगी जब वो सीक्रेट कीप अप कर रही है और वो दूसरे दोस्त बना रही है, तो हमारे बीच की दोस्ती कहाँ गई. दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन. सो ही इज हैविंग दैट कंफ्यूजन. अंडरस्टूड? दैट इज द पोएम. What the activity is, it is on page number 21. You have to go through this poem and you have to decide the 4 characters which are there in this poem. And the 4 characters are the poet, his friend, that is another girl. We can give her a name. I am giving her a name, Mary, M-A-R-Y, Mary. Okay. Then third is Tracy Hackett, with whom the Mary has a friendship. Mary keeps a friendship with Tracy Hackett. And another girl, Alice Banks, with whom Alan Ahlberg is friend. So 4 characters, 2 boys, 2 girls. Okay. I will give a rough idea as to how to frame a story. Then you will frame the story with the dialogues. Okay. And write it in your notebook. So we can have like 4 friends. Yes, they are in pairs, matlab couples. So Tracy and Mary are one couple, and another couple is the writer and Alice Banks. Okay, they accidentally meet at a tea stall. Now there the poet finds his friend Mary. So he says that, how are you? They are discussing among themselves, how are you, Mary? Then Shivan says that she is fine. Then he says that let me introduce you to Alice. Okay, then he is introducing Alice to her, and she is a little bit shocked and surprised also, but okay. Then Alice also says okay, me. Then she also greets Mary, and they talk with each other. After that Mary says, I will introduce you to Tracy. Okay, then she calls him Tracy, and he comes. Then he is also being introduced to Alice as well as to Ahlberg. Okay, then they talk with each other. Then he says that I'm Alan, and this is Alice. Then again he is introducing. Then they are saying, okay, shall we have a cup of tea? And they say that, oh sure. Okay, Mary says we can have a cup of tea. We will have it together. What is the biggest surprise than other than this? Okay, then they all the 4 are having the tea. Okay, then Okay, then Tracy says that yes, and a friendship like this will add a flavor to it, and likewise they become friends, and now after that they are moving apart on their own way. So this is the simple story. समझ में आया? इसमें ऐसा है कि 4 फ्रेंड्स हैं, ये चारों कोइंसिडेंटली मिल रहे हैं, बट ये लोग कपल्स हैं. ट्रेसी एंड जो राइटर की फ्रेंड थी मैरी, वो कपल है एक, और दूसरे है राइटर और उनकी फ्रेंड एलिस. उन लोग कोइंसिडेंटली वहाँ पे मिलते हैं, एंड मैरी और राइटर बात करते हैं, फिर इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को. दैट इज़ पहले पोइट इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं एलिस को, फिर मैरी बुलाते हैं ट्रेसी को, फिर उनको भी इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं. दे आर हैविंग टी टुगेदर, एंड उनको लगता है कि फाइनली दे आर फ्रेंड्स. ओके, मीन्स दे नेवर एक्सपेक्टेड, बट अब दोस्त बन गए, और ऐसी दोस्ती के बैठ के चाय पीना ही एक अलग मज़ा है. दैट इज़ व्हाट दे आर डिस्क्राइबिंग, एंड दे से थैंक्स एंड अपार्ट. फिर हम लोग चले जाते हैं अपने रास्ते. दिस इज अ सिंपल स्टोरी. ओके, what you have to do is you also have to construct a story based on these 4 characters. ये 4 कैरेक्टर को रख के, ये पोएम को मन में रख के आपको एक स्टोरी कंपोज करनी है जिसमें डायलॉग्स भी होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू राइट इन योर नोटबुक. क्लियर? ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव टू एक्टिविटी 9. You have to read this article which is given on page number 21 and 22. Read the article carefully to yourself. Mark any word that you don't understand. Use a dictionary or the internet or your classmate who may help you to understand each word. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to actually just read this article. It describes that the scientists, the doctors, the teachers, everyone, they are all busy in solving one or the other questions that are coming to their mind. Okay, but there are many such questions which for these many years people are trying to find the answer, still they have not arrived. So what are these questions, and some fact which are related to it are also given in this. So you have to read this activity 9 which is on page number 21 and 22. It's just information. Go through it. Okay, try to understand what is being explained in that. In that 5 things are there, as the title goes. 5 things we still don't know. In that I will give a rough idea what they are talking about. In the first 5, among the 5, in the first one they are asking, or they are talking about doctors and scientists who are so much involved in finding one discovery, one solution, that why humans are blushing. हमारा cheeks red हो जाता है ना कभी कभी शर्म की वजह से. So why do we blush? They are trying to find the answers. In the second one they are saying why do people dream, उसके बारे में, and I think those regarding the dream they got some answers. So that is one. Then third they are describing about a manuscript. Okay, and there is a language in it and which is completely unknown to people. Again some people are busy in finding about it. In 1977 a radio signal was found from space, जहाँ पे कोई नहीं था, वहाँ से एक रेडियो सिग्नल आया, and the person who got that signal, researcher, he wrote it as wow, WOW, हम बोलते ना wow, that wow. Okay, and nobody had tried to explain or repeat that signal, so that is named as wow. And the 5th one, nobody knows that how much deepest, which is the deepest part of the ocean. Max to max people have gone to 7 miles, not below that. So उससे डीप हो तो कितना है, एंड हमेशा ऐसा होता है कि उसके अंदर अलग अलग स्पीशीज़ होते हैं, उसकी 3-4 वैरायटी भी हमको बाद में अभी तक मिला नहीं है. ठीक है, सो दीज आर सम फैक्ट. इफ़ यू रीड इट वेरी वेल यू विल प्रॉपरली अंडरस्टैंड. So it is actually a puzzle kind of that people are trying to find answers and they have not found yet. Okay, so these are 5 such cases. Go through it. I just give a brief idea to you. Now in activity 10, what you have to do is, often when we try to answer a big question, we need to find out the answers to a lot of smaller or simpler question first. ठीक है, हमको एक बड़ा सा बिल्डिंग बनाना होता है तो छोटे छोटे ब्रिक्स चाहिए होते. हाँ, वो छोटे ब्रिक से वो पूरा बिल्डिंग बनेगा. यस, तो एक बड़ी सी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए भी we need to solve the small part of that. Yes. So what the activity is, for example, scientists working on a way to provide people with clean drinking water might need to know a few things first. Suppose if the scientists are trying to give people clean drinking water, so they wanted some answers from people. What kind of, how much fresh water is in the ground, kitna fresh water available hai, how many people need that, what bacteria pollution is affecting, how much money is needed to clean the water, and at the last, how can the clean water be distributed to the people who need it. Okay, so these are the 5 questions which might appear to their mind. They suppose it. What you have to do is, after reading that 5 things we still don't know, you have to frame 5 questions, 5 small questions which will help in solving these 5 big doubts. ठीक है, तो ये 5 जो हमको 5 things that still we don't know, those are a kind of doubts which are given. Okay, and these are which you haven't proved yet. तो आपको ये 5 के लिए एक क्वेश्चन डिसाइड करना है. 1 question for 1 para, and it should be a small question like blushing. So you can frame a question like, why is it that the cheek is only showing red color, why the nose or the forehead is not showing red color or a blush pinkish shade. You can frame a question like that. Okay, or for that dreams, you can frame one question like, what does recent research suggest about our dreams. अभी का रिसर्च ड्रीम्स के बारे में क्या बताता है. Likewise, you have to frame one question for one paragraph and write it on page number 23. Okay, so first you have to read out the article given on page number 21 and 22. Then only you will be able to frame questions of 23 page number, that is activity 10. Is it clear? Have you understand both the activities? What you have to do in activity 7, you will be writing a story of Akbar and Birbal, okay, which has a puzzle in it to solve. That is, puzzle can be problem solving based also. ऐसा नहीं कि draw ही करना है. ठीक है. In activity 8, it was a poem on friendship, and you will have frame a story based on this idea of friendship, and the story should be with dialogues. Okay, and in activity 9, you will be reading it out and then framing 5 questions, each question for 1 paragraph, and writing it down in the space given on page number 23. Clear? Okay, all the best.